Let's make some noise while we call out the winner. Winner by unanimous decision. And the winner comes from the blue corner, Naveen SG. Make some noise for him. Congratulations, Naveen. Stay, both the players stay inside the cage. Wow, what a celebration moment. But be very careful, we got our special person inside. Absolutely fine. I take this time to welcome Mr. Suresh, CEO of Doorbell Film Production, to come to the stage and give away the trophies. Welcome, Mr. Suresh. Can we quickly bring in the coach inside the cage? Quickly. Please step forward. Congratulations. Thank you, celebration moment. Thank you so much. Quick announcement, Mr.